everyone, welcome to online class. Today is 29 August and I will cover all the current affairs of the day with details. To skip the video and watch from beginning to end of the video. Let's start the video. Question 1. Who will represent India in 5th BRICS Industries Ministry meeting? A option Som Prakash, B option Manmohan Singh, C option Narendra Modi, D option none of the above. A option Som Prakash is the right answer. Som Prakash is the Union Minister of State for Commerce and Industry who represented India and addressed the 5th BRICS Industry Ministers meeting held through the virtual conference. He addressed and focused the services like 5G, artificial intelligence, and industrial internet among the BRICS countries. Let us know about BRICS. The chairmanship of BRICS is Russia, and year 2021 will the India will resume the chairmanship of BRICS. The members of BRICS are Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Next question. Which union minister has launched National GIC enabled land bank system? A option Piyush Goyal, B option Smriti Irani, C option Narendra Modi, D option Harshvardhan. And the right answer is Piyush Goyal. Piyush Goyal is the Union Minister for Commerce and Industry who launched the National GIC, which is Geographic Information System Enabled Land Bank System, is implemented for 6 states. It is a one-stop solution to the free and easy accessibility of all industrial information. Let us know about Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. The Union Minister of Industries and Information Technology is Ravi Shankar Prasad and the Minister of State is Sanjay Dhodre. Let us know about National E-Governance Division. The President of National E-Governance Division is Abhishek Singh, CEO of the National E-Governance Division. The headquarters of it is in New Delhi. Next question. Which life insurance will launch Smart Access? A option Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance, B option SBI Life Insurance, C option LIC, D option none of the above. And the right answer is A option Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance. Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance has launched Smart Assist. Through this, a secure sharing feature, the service allows the customer to connect with the company to allow real-time assistance on completing the purchase and effect. About Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance, the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer is Tarun Chugh, and the headquarters of Bajaj Allianz Insurance is in Pune, Maharashtra. Next question. Who became youngest author to win International Booker Prize? A option Marika Lucas, B option Chetan Bhagat, C option Monica Arora, D option Anand Vasu. And the right answer is A option Marika Lusa. Marika Lusa belongs to the Dutch country and he won the 2020 International Booker Prize for the literary fiction book is The Discomfort of Evening. Rich Neverd became the youngest author to win the prize at the age of 29. The International Booker Prize is separated from the main Booker Prize. If we relate to other option, B option Chetan Bhagat is Chetan Bhagat written the one arranged murder, one arranged murder, and the option C D Monica Arora, and the D option Anand Basu has written the Delhi Riots 2020. Next question, which country IIT alumni has partnered to build world's largest and fastest hybrid quantum computer? A option Russia, B option South Korea, C option United States, D option none of the above. And the right answer is A option Russia. The Indian Institute of Technology IIT Alumni Council has signed an agreement with Russia Lomonosov Moscow State University and RASOP, which is an association of software developing companies to access and transfer key technology from Russia to build the world's largest and fastest hybrid quantum computer in India. It is the largest global body of alumni, students and faculty which spread across all the 23 IITs and partnered technical institutes of excellence TIE net. The president is Ravi Sharma and the headquarters is in New Delhi. Let us know about RASOP. The president of RASOP is Valentin Makarov and the headquarters of RASOP is in St. Petersburg, Russia. Next question, who has released national security challenges? A option Chief Army Staff, B option Naval Staff, C option Defense Ministry, D option Home Ministry, and the right answer is A option Chief Army Staff. Chief Army Staff General Manoj Mukund Naravane released a book titled National Security Challenges Young Scholar Perspectives, authored by universities students ranging from the undergraduate level to doctorate candidates. The book, The National Security Challenges, was published by Center for Land-Based Studies, the Army think tank. The book is a tribute to Field Marshal Manekshaw Shaw, the strategics of 1971 Indo-Pakistan War that resulted in the liberation of Bangladesh. Next question, who chaired the 41st GST Council meeting? A option Narendra Modi, B option Nirmala Sitaram, C option Smriti Irani, D option Amit Shah. And the right answer is B option Nirmala Sitaram. Sitaram is our current finance minister, and the GST Council discussed state compensation and revenue losses. GST compensation as a part of GST reforms was introduced through GST compensation to states at 2017, and the case was levied on inter and intrastate supply. Next question, RBI projected India's growth to what percent? A option 4.5%, B option minus 4.5%, C option 6%, D option minus 6%. RBI reported of the Central Board of Directors on the working of the Reserve Bank of India for the year ended June 30, 2020. That is was submitted to the central government in terms of Section 53(2) of the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. In the report, RBI projected that India's growth at minus 4.5% for 2020 to 21. Next question, which state government released first marine ambulance? A option Kerala, B option Odisha, C option Goa, D option Assam. And the right answer is A option Kerala. Kerala Around 30 fishermen lost their, their lives at sea in a year due to accident during fishing. Under this contest, the government of Kerala has launched marine ambulance services to provide launched has launched marine ambulance services to provide more efficient rescue. The highlights of the marine ambulance services is in providing first aid and also to rescue operation. The ambulance is capable of providing critical care. Next question. Recently, which country Prime Minister has resigned from the post? A option Japan, B option Poland, C option Russia, D option none of the above. And the right answer is A option Japan. The Prime Minister Shinzo Abe has resigned from the post and he is suffering from and he is suffering from ailments and so he resigned from the post. He is a longest serving prime minister of the country and the emperor of Japan is Naruhito and the capital and largest city of Japan is Tokyo and currency is Japanese yen. These are the some current affairs. Next question. Next question. What is the theme of World Water Week 2020? A option water and climate change, that is accelerating action. B option water ecosystem and human development. C option water for society including all. D option water and waste, reduce and reuse. The A option water and climate change, accelerating action. The theme for the theme for World Water Week 2020 at home is water and climate change, accelerating action. The World Water Week of the year 2020 is observed as the World Water Week as home week at home from 24 August 2020 to 28 August 2020. The World Water Week, organized by Stockholm International Water Institute, has been annually celebrated as the most influential, innovative, and dynamic movement for transforming the global water issues. Next question. Indian Railways has installed its first ever baggage sanitation and wrapping machine at which of this railway station? A option Hyderabad, B option Indore, C option Ahmedabad, D option New Delhi. And the right answer is C option Ahmedabad. The Ahmedabad Railway Division of the Indian Railways has introduced a unique and first of this kind concept of baggage sanitation and wrapping machine at Ahmedabad railway station in Gujarat to ensure safe travel amid the pandemic. These are some of the important current affairs which I have listed from the listed for you for your important exam and examination. If you like my current affairs and my teaching style, please hit the button and share with your friend and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.